But this just like never ceases to amaze me. I mean,
Ready?
okay, ready?
Go.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Life in the Empty Nest. I'm Vicky, and if you're new here, welcome. Come join the fun. In this week's video, we are just going to focus on Rome. It was a really special time to be there. It was not crowded, and you know, that was because of COVID. You know, in the summer in Rome, where it's usually jam-packed and, you know, wall-to-wall people, it was so pleasant. It was hot, but I live in South Texas, so nothing really seems that hot to me. Honestly, the organized tours that we did were perfection, and we had a great time. We did a tour of the Vatican, we did a tour of the Colosseum, and we did a food tour with Sophie Minchilli. The first day we got into Rome, we went to our Airbnb, which I will also put a link to because it was a cute little studio walk-up, and it was, I mean, I say walk-up, it was 5 stories up, and it had a rooftop deck, and you could oversee everything. You could see St. Peter's Basilica. It was so nice. It was very inexpensive and just the perfect place for 2 people. We took a nap that afternoon so we could be refreshed because we had flown overnight. And then we went on a walking food tour of Rome with Sophie Minchilli. She is an Instagrammer who I follow, and I follow her and her mom. Her mom is Elizabeth Minchilli. She's a cookbook author, and Sophie just wrote a book too. She offers food tours, walking food tours around Rome. So that's what we did with her. It was very fun, very informative. We tasted great Roman street food. I'm super excited to meet her. I feel like I'm meeting a celebrity. There's my partner in crime. So we're starting at this little bakery here, and then we are going to go over to the other side with our bakery items that Sophie is getting for us, and go over here to an air-conditioned place that we can have some cured meats and other yummy things. So the white pizza, we either eat it on its own or we stuff it. And in the summer in Rome, it's typical to stuff it with prosciutto and fresh figs. So we just started getting the first figs of the season. So I wanted to try one of Rome's fried artichokes. And we're at a cute little restaurant called Tonnarello. And the music is so very quintessentially Rome right now. I'm sure it's touristy as heck, but it's really good. So let's try this. It's so beautiful, it's like you almost don't want to eat it.
Good?
Good, really good.
So tender.
Really good. Okay, what are you drinking?
If I had to describe the thing, it's kind of like cough syrup with a little bit of spike to it. You can't shoot this like a regular shot.
Learned a lot about the history of the area, tasted some good wine too, and she was great company, and we had a really good time. It was money well spent. She and her mom do more intense food tours around the area, Tuscany, 5 days. I think they have various tours, but yes, I'll put a link below so you can check it out. She was great company, and we would definitely do it again. So the second day we went on a Vatican tour, and we went with a group called City Wonders, and I just found them on Yelp, and they had good reviews and were affordable, and they do semi-private tours, which are 10 people or less. And so we did that, and it was a 3-hour tour, but we were the only ones on the tour. And I know that's because of COVID. The numbers are just not up there yet, you know, but lucky for us, that was great. And if you go on a City Wonders tour of the Vatican, Look for Assunta is her name, Assunta. She was fabulous. She's an art historian in her day job, and she took us in different places in the Vatican that normally aren't included in the tour because handling a large group is much different than just 2 people. And so knowledgeable, so friendly, and so patient with us asking questions, but it was really good. The Vatican is just one of those places, whether you're religious or not, that you need to go to. If you're an art lover and just a beauty lover, it is really, really special place. And then on the 3rd day, we went on a Colosseum tour. Again, we used City Wonders, and I believe our tour guide's name was Stephanie, and there were only 3 of us, 1 other American woman and the 2 of us, and we did everything. We did the Forum, the Colosseum. We went down on the floor of the Colosseum. She told us a bit of the history, and it was fabulous. It was really good. It wasn't too hot that day, which was nice. We did a bunch of other things. We tried restaurants that were recommended by Sophie and her guides that are in her Instagram profile. We met wonderful people, the owner of a restaurant who couldn't speak a word of English, but we managed to communicate. He sent me home with this basket full of berries and just, you know, lovely people. We had a lovely time. If you have the opportunity and desire, please go to Rome. My biggest advice is be prepared to walk. Make sure you bring comfortable shoes, a shawl to cover your shoulders if you're going into any of the religious venues. Even though we were there for 3.5 days, we felt like we did a lot. You know, I hope everybody can experience Rome like we did. It was really fun. Well, arrivederci. I hope you enjoyed our Rome video. It's a little bittersweet coming back to reality, but we have great memories. And if you have any questions about anything we did, please shoot me a comment below. Please like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Aloha.